Welcome to LJ Stone Company, the name you can trust when it comes to transforming your home. We're not just selling products, we're delivering results. Baths, windows, doors, and outdoor living. We make your home work better for you. Since 1967, we've been in the business of doing things right. No gimmicks, no shortcuts, just solid work, delivered by people who care. LJ Stone isn't just a company, it's a legacy built on one project, one home, and one satisfied customer at a time. And it all started with Larry Stone.
I started going door to door, selling home improvement products, storm windows and doors basically at that time. And just through a process of evolution, good luck and hard work, we ended up here. As a salesperson, my statement to people was, when you hire me, you're going to hire somebody that's going to work harder, longer, faster, better than anybody you got, and be more dependable. When you call me, I'll answer. And that's kind of the way we operate. I've got guys here that have been here 50 years, 52 years, 48 years. A lot of installers have been here 30 years. Just highly unusual to have these kind of people with that experience. And it's hard to replace that. I've just been thankful personally to be able to start out with a 5-cent pencil and a 15-cent pad of paper and ultimately make a living. I'm thankful for that.
Our in-house lead installers are seasoned pros who know their craft inside and out. They are full-time, dedicated employees who have mastered the art of home remodeling. With thousands of projects under our belt, we know we're in your home to deliver results quickly and efficiently.
The key to running a successful home improvement company is knowing how to run a successful business. This is where many companies fail because they just assume that because they can install a shower, they can just figure out the business side along the way. Now, LJ Stone Company is one of the fastest growing remodelers in Indiana because we have decades of experience. Going back to our founding in 1967, we've mastered every aspect of the business. When you hire a contractor to work on what for most people is their most valuable asset, in our opinion, it's vitally important for the company to have a proven track record, be financially stable in order to stand behind their work, and have a substantial history of satisfied customers. Our secret to success is to treat every customer with respect, install the job right the first time, use solid products and attention to detail, and lastly, do that all at a fair and affordable price. Crazy concept, right?
At LJ Stone, we believe in full transparency. That means no hidden cost ever. From labor to materials, insurance, and permits, you can trust our down-to-the-penny quotes. No surprises, just complete peace of mind.
When you choose LJ Stone Company, you get the very best. If we have special circumstances where we have to go an extra mile for permits or certain plumbing issues or whatever, LJ Stone will definitely do that. We go above and beyond. And we're here, we are 100% customer satisfaction, and we absolutely take care of our customers.
We're committed to quality, plain and simple. We use only the best products, and we stand behind our work with the industry's top warranties and our no-nonsense lifetime warranty on workmanship and installation. That's our promise to you. It's built to last.
So for us, the test is, would we install this product in our own homes? We only provide true permanent solutions for homeowners. Our bath and shower systems, our windows or entry doors, or any other products we offer are all backed by the strongest warranty in the industry. After all, any product looks good the first 30 days just by virtue of being new. So the real test is, how will this product perform 5, 15, even 25 years from now?
We're Central Indiana's go-to choice for quality home improvement products. However, for us, it's not all about remodeling homes. Central Indiana is our home. We actually live in the same communities as our customers. And we're actively looking for ways to be able to give back because we care about the areas we serve.
Well, I served from 1990 to 2012, and I was a combat medic. My left leg was injured during a transport to a site, and I found it difficult over the years to get in and out of the tub. Amy gave me a call. She goes, "Is it okay if we come out? Because Mr. Stone wants to do an interview with you. And then a few days later, I got a call saying that I was selected. And that happened. I said, oh my God, I was so excited. After that point, the anticipation of this actually happening was just awesome.
When we contacted LJ Stone, we didn't realize they were a family business. And we really liked doing business that way. And they came in and we showed them our problem. And so then they told us some solutions, different things we could do, and kind of let us think about it.
The gentleman came and measured and got all the measurements, and it wasn't long till they come back and had it fit right in. They do good work, and they make it right. They don't halfway do it. They do it correctly.
And they know what needs to be done and how it's to be done, and they do a good job.
They're not a fly-by-night. There you are.
They're going to be around for a while.
LJ Stone Company, where experience meets trust, quality meets affordability, and your home gets the attention it deserves. Join the thousands of Indiana homeowners who have made the smart choice since 1967.